Alright, so who doesn't want a play button like this? In today's video, I'm going to share multiple YouTube channel ideas where you don't need to show your face or potentially use your voice. So if you're interested in lazy, faceless YouTube channels that you can start yourself, keep watching and then let's just get started right now. So some of you will know that I've got a few channels on YouTube that actually get quite some decent amount of views so that I can make money from the ad revenue on those channels. Now, some of those channels I show my face. For example, this one, I make the videos myself. However, I also have some other channels where I am not showing my face and I have people working on these channels so that I just make money from them, from those channels, without doing the actual videos myself. Now that is called YouTube automation. That's not exactly what we're here for. We're here for YouTube faceless channel ideas. So let me just get started with those right away. The first channel idea that I want to show you is the software tutorial niche. Now don't click away yet because this niche is highly profitable and let me prove that to you guys right now. This channel is called Surfside PPC. This channel is making videos, tutorial videos with just a PC. So basically all he's doing is recording his screen, just like I am doing right now. I will show you how you can do it yourself later on in the video. It is actually pretty simple. But first, let's take a look at what he's doing and how much money this guy is roughly making. So you can see that he's making business videos about how to build a website, Google AdWords, how to create Amazon affiliate marketing websites, YouTube advertising, pretty much any specific topic within kind of like the business niche. Now this is highly profitable, and I know that because I also have similar channels and similar videos like this. So let me just prove that right now. For example, this video right there, how to create Amazon affiliate marketing website. Let me quickly calculate for you guys how much money that video has roughly made. So we've got 270,000 views. If we're gonna multiply that by a $30 RPM, which I'll show you proof of in a few minutes, and then divide that by 1,000, you can see that that video right there with 270,000 views has probably made about $8,000 or even way more. This could be way higher, to be honest. This video right there could have made $10,000. Now let me quickly prove that. This video is I tried Amazon affiliate marketing, so it's about the same keyword, right? Amazon affiliate marketing, and then this video, Amazon affiliate marketing. You can see that my views as of right now are nowhere near 270,000. Hopefully this video is gonna keep like growing and take off at some point, but you can see even with like less than 1,000 views, this video has made $27. This has a $29 RPM within the since published. So sometimes it goes as high as 308, then 112. So you can see that this niche is highly profitable because these videos have crazy high CPMs. Now, how do you actually make these videos and how can you get started? So all you need in order to get started is a software that's going to help you record your screen, because if I just like go over all of these videos, you'll see that all of them are just simple videos recording a screen. You can see there's no face being shown in this video. For that, all you need is OBS Studio. So you can use Streamlabs or you can simply use OBS Studio. So as you guys can see, if you go ahead and go to OBS Project, you can simply download this software, which is what I use myself. And then as you can see, this is software. You can simply record your screen by clicking right there, and there you go. That's all you need. Now, once you click stop recording, the file is gonna save and you'll then have a video that you can upload to a channel just like this guy. Now, if you want to find out how you can find these topics, I'll leave a link to my free video, which I've done a 42-minute full beginner's course to find these topics and to actually rank videos in YouTube search, because that is where all of this traffic is coming from. So even with 255,000 views a month, normally you could make like $500, $800 with that, but this guy is probably making like $5,000, $8,000, $10,000 with these views. Once again, why? Because he's in the YouTube business niche. So you can see that people search for these keywords and then he's showing up. The second channel that I want to show you is called Bestie. Now Bestie is a great channel and it's a channel authority within that specific niche. So this is in the health niche and they're making videos about health topics. Now what they're doing is that they're using free stock footage, so no face from that actual owner is being shown in those videos. It's all animation based or stock footage. Now where can you get that? On websites like Pexels, but I also use other websites. So for example, if you type in health, you go to videos, you'll find all of these videos that you can simply use. So if you're making a video about running, you can actually download these clips and then use those in your video for free without any copyright issues. However, if you're actually serious about this, what you can do is go to Storyblocks. You can go ahead and sign up for this platform, and this will pretty much get you any clip you need. It literally doesn't matter what kind of clip you need. You can simply get this. It's paid, so it's not free. So if you want to go free, you can go to Pexels or Pixabay and download these clips for free. If you want a very good one, I recommend Storyblocks. So yeah, that is pretty much that. However, let's get back to the videos they make. So if I go over here, you can see that they make videos about health topics. You can see there are ads being played on these videos. Now these guys make a lot of money because they get millions of views per month. So they make a ton of money. However, as you can see, these are animation based. Now this is not easy to create, so not anyone can actually get started with this as a total beginner. However, this is very cool because once you get a channel like this, you've never got to show your face again, and you can keep making these animation videos. Now once again, it doesn't have to be animation videos, so keep that in mind. So for example, you can also do free stock footage or images that you simply zoom in and zoom out, just like this video. Now you can see this video is getting like hundreds of views per hour, so they're getting so many views and making so much money with a channel like this. Then next up, I've got one that is kind of related, but this one is like the easier version. So this one is really easy. So as you can see, it's a cooking channel. So Cooking a Dream, and these videos get millions of views. So these are recipe videos. Now if I just go to the newest videos, you'll see that these don't get that many views, and the channel kind of like stopped uploading for a while. But if I simply go over and take a look at their social blade, we can see that they're still pulling in a very decent amount of views. So 600,000 views in the last 30 days, even though they haven't published a video within the last 4 months. So you can see that this channel blew up right there last year in 2020. Actually, since the thing happened, I'm not going to name it for the monetization. However, back in March 2020, we all know what happened, and since then, this channel actually took off. Right now, it kind of dipped down again from these virals. However, a channel like this is very easy to make because all you need to do is have a camera, which you can just use your phone, and then start cooking, and just start cooking specific things with recipes. So as you can see, for example, let's go ahead and take this video right there, green onion flatbread. If I click on that video, you can see it's literally filming the food itself and putting together the recipe and showing how you can actually make this. That is literally all you need to do, which once again isn't that complicated. It's one of the more easier and like lazy YouTube channel ideas out there. Once again, you do need the right format and the right topics, so if you want to learn more about that, check out that video I made down below. And then the final channel that I want to share is called Stemir Reviews. Now this channel is making faceless videos about Amazon products. I also do this myself, which I'll show you right here. As you can see, I'm making like $30, $40, $7, $15, $54, $60 free, $56, $26. So pretty much daily commissions with a channel like this. So for this, what you do, you simply start up a channel. You can see it's monetized. I know because I also have a channel like this myself. What you do, you go to Amazon, you join the Amazon affiliate program. If you want to find out more about that and all of my earnings, more videos in the description down below. I'll put all of the related videos to this video in the description down below. However, as you can see, what you do is you download clips from the Amazon sales page or product photos, you put those into a compilation, and you don't have to monetize it with ads if you don't want to, but you monetize it with Amazon affiliate links. So if people go ahead and click right there, because they search for these videos because they're interested in buying a specific topic, a specific product. So they search for a specific topic. Now, if they then go ahead and go to the description, they can click, for example, right there. They will be sent over to this page where they can go ahead and buy the product, and the channel owner will then earn a commission from these links, which is exactly what I do myself with this Amazon affiliate program. Now you can simply download those pictures and videos from the Amazon sales page, which is literally showing up right here. Are they going to claim you? No, they're not, because why would they claim you if you are literally promoting their own product? It doesn't make sense. So I've also done this. I don't have any claims, and it does work. So yeah, that is the last faceless YouTube channel idea I wanted to share with you. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like. Also, if you want to find out more about how you can start faceless YouTube channels and earn commissions, maybe get a play button like this one, I'll leave a link to my free training video down below in the description as well. It's going to be the first link down below. So check that out and then I'll see you there.